Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete an archived session or any session from Cowork on your Mac using Terminal. This is useful when you want to clean up old sessions that are no longer needed. Let's get into it. First, open Terminal on your Mac. You can do that by pressing Command plus space and typing Terminal. Once it's open, type this command to navigate to the Cowork Sessions folder. Check the link in the description. It takes you to a document from where you can copy-paste all these commands. This takes you directly to the folder where all your Cowork sessions are stored. Now let's see what sessions are available. Type the second command. You'll see a list of folders, each one named with a long, unique ID called a UUID that looks something like this. Each one of these folders represents a separate session. Look through the list and find the UUID of the session you want to delete. For example, in this video, we're deleting this first session. Take a moment to double-check the UUID before moving on. This step is important, and I'll explain why in just a second. Now, to permanently delete that session folder, type the third command, rm-rf, then a space, then the full UUID of your session folder, hit Enter. That's it, the session is gone. So make absolutely sure the UUID you typed matches the session you want to remove, not any other folder. The good news? This has zero impact on the Cowork app or your system. Claude will automatically create a new session the next time you open it.